Welcome back, Techatonians. So today we're going to do a review on the Garmin Dash Cam. I did the unboxing video about 3 months ago, but I lost the footage, so that's not a problem. I'll show you what's in the box, I'll show you what the camera I bought, and I'll give you all the links. And I got a lot of videos to show you guys what I recorded on the road and what situations I got myself into. But let's quickly dive into the screen recording I'm about to do for you. Alright guys, so I'm on Garmin.com and they have a couple options for the camera. Now there's an option for the Garmin Dash Cam Tandem, and that's a dual lens dash cam with two 180-degree lenses. And this is good for Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, taxi drivers, because you could see inside the car as well. There's also Garmin Dash Cam 66 watt and the 56. And the 56 and the 66, the difference is 180 degrees versus 140 degrees. Now I got the 46 because I only care about 1080p footage, and I just want to see what's going on. I don't really care about extra quality because the quality doesn't really change that much. Now let's take a look and find out more features about the camera. Now you got different features. One is forward collision warning, lane departure warning, go alerts, red light, and speed cameras. This one is really cool because it alerts you where there's a red light and speed traps, voice control, and travel laps feature. Now let's go see what's in the box. So we got the camera itself, the magnetic mount, which is this one right over here. You got some cables, you got the dual USB power adapter. So that's pretty much about the camera. Now let's jump into the video. So in this video I'm driving straight, and right now you guys will see there's a piece of debris right on my lane. I got lucky and there was no cars on my left side, so it was easily avoidable. Now here in this clip it's dark and you guys could see the quality. The leftmost lane, there's a truck driving with a lot of things in their trunk. Now, it's a bunch of mattresses, and right now you're gonna see all the mattresses fly out, even to the opposite lane, and the other mattress slides right into my lane. Now, luckily there was no cars behind me on my right, so I was able to avoid it, but this could have turned a bit ugly. And here again, I'm driving 52, 53 miles an hour. The speed limit is 65. And right now, there's going to be a mattress again. I don't know what's up with the mattresses, but it's mattresses, and I avoided all of them, but this just shows you what a camera could do for you. And this is a bonus footage. There's a hay ball in the middle of LA freeway. A hay ball, look at that, it's big. Very crazy, very weird. But yeah, this just gives you guys an idea what could happen on the road, and you never know when it will happen. So in my case, it's just mattresses. Don't ask me why there's mattresses on the road, but there is. But yeah, it's good to have the dash camera. I'll have a link down in the description where you could buy the dash cam. I usually provide Amazon links. You do, if you are a Prime member, get it within 1 to 2 days, so it's really cool to shop on Amazon. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button because that helps me a lot, and I'll stay tuned. I got a lot of videos coming to you guys soon. See ya.